Hi, and welcome to Baz Bytes. My name is Matt Okuma, and I am a systems architect at Cisco. And in this quick overview, I'm going to give an explanation of what's the big deal with Wi-Fi 6, or we also hear it called 802.11ax. I think it's very important. And I'm at a high level, I'm going to cover what this means to your business, what are some use cases, and how can your business or your network take advantage of these new enhancements. This will be a first part, just a basic overview of some of the newer features, the technologies that are built into it. And in subsequent videos, we'll go deeper into each one of those technologies and really get down into the weeds on why those are important and really uncover some really cool technical capabilities of not only Cisco's next generation access points, but also just Wi-Fi 6 and 802.11ax in general. So to start off, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax. So what's the big deal? Let's jump in at a very high level and go over some of the benefits and the use cases that would apply to your network and your business. First off, what is Wi-Fi 6 or 802.11ax? So it's basically an interchangeable engineering and marketing terms. They both basically mean the same thing. It's basically the next generation standard for Wi-Fi. If you see here, you see all the different standards starting back in '99 with Wi-Fi 1. We're now upwards into the Wi-Fi 6 area. You may also have heard the term high efficiency wireless or HEW used, all describing the same thing. So just as a level set, that's what we're here to talk about. First off, so what are the four main things at a high level that you gain by moving your network or your Wi-Fi to 802.11ax or Wi-Fi 6? What's the big deal? So first off, higher data rates. You're automatically going to get the next generation of data rates, much, much higher than previous generations. We'll dive deeper into that. Secondly, increased in overall network capacity. So we're seeing 3 to 4x using a technology called OFDMA that we will talk about further. Also, reducing latency and greater reliability of the wireless network, all very important things as we move more mission critical things to the Wi-Fi network. And lastly, improved power efficiency. So 3x better battery life using target wait time feature, which we'll talk about, which is very, very neat as we see more and more IoT devices and mobile devices. And everyone likes to have more battery life on their mobile devices. So going into the enhancements, remember this is a high level explanation of what's so great about Wi-Fi 6, and so we'll have subsequent videos that go deeper into each one of these technically to keep this short and sweet. But first off, the first feature that's very new to Wi-Fi 6, which is a great enhancement, is OFDMA. It stands for Uplink and Downward Allographal Frequency Division Multiple Access. So a very long acronym. But overall, just know that it increases network efficiency and lowers latency for high demand environments. So a lot of good stuff to talk about there. Picture this, a good analogy of putting this is picture like the carpool lane. When you have a lane of cars going, you have the carpool lane. When you have a car that has multiple people in it, it's moving people much more efficiently than someone just driving a car with one person in it. So that's basically what OFDMA does for the Wi-Fi network. Secondly is multiple user input, multiple output, MIMO. So this allows more data to be transferred at once and enables an access point to transmit to a larger number of concurrent clients at once. So very important for increasing overall capacity and things like that. Parallel processing enables greater capacity on the wireless network. The other ones, target wait time, we'll skip down to that. Better battery life, right? We talked about that with target wait time. So it significantly improves battery life in your Wi-Fi devices. And to round this out, some high-level use cases. So increased mobile broadband. So we're seeing, the use case of lots and lots of mobile devices, doing more things wirelessly or connected, things like next generation classrooms, enhanced video, 4K, virtual reality, immersive video, telehealth, things like that. We see those coming to life with Wi-Fi 6 and 802.11ax being the real enabler for those Next one is massive scale at IoT. So we could apply this to many, many different types of industries, types of businesses, but really connecting the unconnected. And when you do that, how do you deal with the density, right? And a lot of those technologies that we talked about help with the massive scale and density of IoT that's going to bring about to our Wi-Fi networks. And lastly, mission critical services. So things like automated processes, manufacturing, analytics, healthcare, robotics, warehouse inventory management, things like that. All are great use cases, and there's many more for Wi-Fi 6. So in conclusion, thank you for taking the time today to watch this short video on BAS bytes around Wi-Fi 6 and 802.11ax and what's the big deal. Again, this was an intro video. We will definitely dive deeper into each of those technologies and use cases around Wi-Fi 6. So this will be a multi-part series, so look out for them. Visit our channel and subscribe as well. Thank you.